Hey, hi everyone, welcome to another video of GeeksWhite. In the previous video, we have done Python installation and configured our local machine with VS Code and Jupyter software. In this video, we are going to talk about smallest meaningful component of any programming language, which is called tokens. In Python, we have four types of tokens: identifier, literals, operators, and keywords. Identifiers are the name of variables, class, function, or objects. The value assigned to the variables is called literals, and any operations performed on the variables are done using operators. For example, num is equal to 10. Here num is an identifier, 10 is the string literal because it is the value assigned to the identifier num, and equal to is the operator that is assigned. Keywords are the special reserved names because they have special meanings. In Python, we have a lot of Python keywords. To list down all the keywords, we can use the Python shell. So let's navigate to Python shell and use the help method. So here we can use the keywords to list down all the. Okay, so it will list down all the keywords available in Python. Next concept is variable. Variable is just like a placeholder. For example, num is equal to 10. Here, num is just a placeholder for value 10. There are two types of variables, local variables and global variables. We will learn about more in our next video. Next part is how to declare a variable. Since Python is a dynamic type language, we do not define its type. There are certain ways to name a variable. It must begin with a letter or underscore, and other characters can be letters, numbers, or underscore. It is case sensitive and can be of any length. And you have to note it that you cannot name a variable with the keywords. So what I'll do is I will go to the notebook section and try to define some variable. So I have created four variables. Int variable is equal to 10, float variable is equal to 10.10, and string variable is equal to double quote Ravi, and boolean value is equal to 10. So you have to note these 2 points over here, that string variable you have to always include inside double quote or single quote, and in the boolean value true and false is case sensitive, capital T and capital F. Okay, to run it we will use this line. Next thing is we can access this using simple int variable and it will fetch the result. The next thing is there are multiple ways to define a variables. For example, you want two integer variables having value as 30. So you can do it in a single line is equal in this way. First val is equal to second val is equal to 30, and it will create two variable, first val and second val having value. So first val comma second val, and it will print out, okay, sorry, typos, and 30 and 30. Now let's consider a scenario where you want two variables having different values. So let's say third value and fourth value having the value as 50 and 60. So you will say third val comma fourth val is equal to 50 comma 60. To run this, use this line, and if I'll say so 50 and 60. So in the next video I'll tell you more about variables, like how it is getting stored in the memory, and about local and global variable. Till then, stay tuned, do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye, have a good day ahead.